Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am going to present my project named CipherXploreSS. It is an interactive cryptography learning web portal. This is actually based on my cryptography network security laboratory of my fourth year first semester exam. In this project, I have converted my Python cryptography lab codes experiments into a modern full stack web application, as you can see. The main purpose of this project was to make cryptography easier to understand and to test encryption decryption from a web interface and the connect theory, uh, source code API, and live output together. For this web project, I have used technology stack as Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, and for the backend part, I have used FastAPI, Python, and the version control I used GitHub. And for deployment, I used here Vercel, and for the backend API, I have used this render site from the backend API. This is the main. The front-end user sends input to this API and the backend process the selected algorithm and returns the result from this site. And I have deployed the front end. This is my GitHub repository where I have uploaded the whole project and its front end code, back end code, algorithm files, project documentation, and deployment ready structures. This is currently private, but I will soon publish it as public repository. For the front end website, I have used Vercel deployment. Uh, so as I traverse through the website, as you can see that this is the home page where I tried to make the UI both dark and light version. As you can see, I have an interactive lab component where I can test 7 cipher which I have learned from my cryptographic lab course: Caesar cipher, Playfair, Hill, Pictionary, Railfans, and more as modern cryptography we have RSA and Diffie-Hellman key generation and cryptography. So as example, if when I try as a hello text as plain text and a shift key 3 run algorithm, the API request returns the result to this front end website. As you can see, as you can see the output, the encrypted text, and this is the API payload preview. And there is a actual visual understanding panel for each of the example. As you can see the Playfair cipher, if I try to learn this algorithm, you can see the Playfair matrix and the pairs to understand. Also, for every algorithms, I have a theory and algorithm page where you can see the algorithm steps and the formula and example, which is be more useful to the students. And in the interactive lab, as you can see the rail fence algorithm. Suppose this is the input text and I am trying the operation mode encryption. When I run this algorithm, this is my encrypted text. So you can see the visualization how this happened. As we know from the uh, rail fence algorithm, we convert the text into a depth size zigzag pattern and just read the from row wise. So this is a simple implementation of this type of algorithms. And I also have my lab reports which was the originally I created for my lab experiment exam. So I have put that file and the course materials here. I would like to especially thanks Professor Dr. Tarek Hassan Al Mahmoud sir, who is my course instructor for this project. I have also added the API documentation if anyone wants to use the API from the. I will update this with the main API link. And about section, I have tried to here is my details and other things. So overall, this is a my one of my learning project. I have trying to learn the API, how API works and how to implement APIs. I was searching for ideas, then I found this idea to complete my academic task into this fully functional full stack web application. So I hope everyone liked it, and it will be beneficial to the students who wants to learn cryptography very easily. So I hope that will help the students also. So I will put the link in the comment section, and I hope so. If you like it, you can follow me on my social, and you can see the GitHub repository from my GitHub file account. So that's all for today. I hope everyone enjoyed it. I will try to continue this type of projects regularly, and hope for doing some good.